Welcome back to AI Software World Asterisk. If you're someone who's always looking for smart AI tools that save time and help you make money online, especially on YouTube, then you're going to love what I'm about to share. But before we begin, click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any tutorial videos. After just 7 days of use, your skin will look clearer, smoother, and more confident, free from acne. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to register for Gen Video. And together, we'll create your very first video. This tool is designed to help you and your friends make great videos to share on social platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Zalo, or YouTube, boosting your views and engagement. First, let's start at the very beginning. Open a Vietnamese program on your computer then. Move to the top corner, right in the search bar, and type nhandowweb.com/VideoGen and then press enter. A Gen Video registration window will appear. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click Register. You can also click the button in the middle, then click Continue to sign up. The system will ask you to enter your email address. Just type it in here. Since I already have a Google account, I can sign up directly with Google. If this is your very first time, Gen Video will send you a verification code. Just enter that code here. After that, you'll see asterisk, a successful registration page like this. The link is also at the end of the description, nhandowweb.com/VideoGen. Please use that link to download. After successful registration, look to the left-hand corner of the screen. Click to choose a subscription plan. You and your friends can then pick a plan and click Continue. The system will ask whether you want to subscribe for 1 year or 1 month. If you choose the yearly plan, price is only $12 per month. If you choose monthly, it's $24 per month. So I recommend choosing the yearly plan. It's 50% cheaper. Click Continue next. It will ask for your payment method. You can select Visa or another payment gateway. Then choose your bank. Enter your phone number. Use the number in the country where you live. Gen Video will send a code to verify your phone number. Once you enter the code, it will confirm your payment was successful. If payment is confirmed, go back to the left-hand corner of the screen, click the plus sign to create a video. If you already have the software, you don't need to register again. But let's continue. Click the plus, then select a frame. After choosing a frame, click Continue. Then it will ask you English or Vietnamese. At first it was English. Now let's select Vietnamese here. The system asks you to enter a title and the command. There's a Vietnamese section too. You can copy your script, for example, from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then click the red Continue button. Wait a few seconds. The system will generate a command. Ask how you feel, then click Continue. Wait again. We'll create the video for you. And just like that, your video is ready. Let's hear this example in Vietnamese. Have you ever felt insecure because of acne? It's time to use acne cream. This product helps you bring back your natural glow. With a breakthrough formula, it clears acne quickly and safely, even for sensitive skin. After just 7 days, your face will look brighter, smoother, radiant, and confident again. This is just to show you how powerful it is. With just a few clicks, we already have a professional video. I need to spend hours filming or editing. Just a few clicks and you can make many videos like this. Once your video is ready, go to the top right corner of the screen. Click Download. Note, you must be subscribed. If you're not subscribed, it won't let you download. Once subscribed, just click Download and save the video. Now, you can upload your video to any platform. Good luck to you and your friends with Gen Video. See you in the next tutorial.